Probably gonna take and put a socket on that drive shaft.
What size do you think that is?
Big.
Yeah, it's big.
2 inch. I don't know, maybe not that big, inch and 3/4.
Are we good?
Yeah, should be. We're gonna go that far. Just
Yeah, that's got plenty of slack in it.
these here, they are our biggest hold up, and we can't get any more in them. Oh, really? Do that.
Sounds like you're hitting on
Take that jack down. Let that jack down. Ow! There we go.
Let me get just a hair weight on it.
Damn it. Smashed my finger between the bar and the...
Let her down again.
Maybe a port of power in here. Push back.
Yeah.
I didn't think there were bolt heads under here, but there is. And of course, they've worn into the plate underneath. I don't know if we got to make any washer or nothing, because it's not wore there, but. Again, maybe there. Okay, see how it goes. It's going.
You got some weight on that jack a little bit?
Yeah. There we go. Get on.
Oh, yeah, I can feel your lifting.
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. We're getting there. Ready to take a little power there.
Grab a hold of that ram.
Just you push it there.
Ready?
Yep. Simpler just to do this.
That's it.
Okay. Okay, a little more room.
Grab a block of wood or something to put behind the tire.
There.
Yeah, I know it was. Ooh.
Your jack stand all right there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go another 4 inches of safety. Ready?
Yeah. That's all we need. That should be enough.
So we got the center link out. You can see where we torched the pins and the bushings apart to get it out of the tractor. A 20-ton press and a 3/4 inch impact on some threads wouldn't do it. So we ended up going to the fire wrench. Here we got the lower bushing separated from the two halves of the tractor separated. You can see, I don't know if you can see up and down movement. There's got to be 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of up and down movement. There ain't supposed to be any. Tractor has about, I think she has about 5,600 hours on her, and I'm sure this is the first time she's had any work done to the pivot. And that's what I've read. About a 6,000 hour mark is when you end up rebushing these tractors with proper maintenance. I believe this girl was a little bit neglected before we got her, so, but it's due and we're doing it. So we got the new uniballs installed here on the top center link, and there is new pins to go with them as well over here on the bench. And then we also got we managed to get the old uniball came here on the center pivot. I'll show you what's left of it. And they've got a brand new one in there now. We also put new bushings in the, I'm not sure what you call them, but what goes above and below the uniball. But the uniball, and here it is. This is what's left of it. And here's a few more pieces. Here's a few more pieces. So you guys saw what it should have looked like when it was complete, but it's shot. Something about now I got the damn hoses there right away.
Mm-hmm.
Go west. There you go, Colin.
That wasn't west.
You went west. Not the arm, you.
That's good. Turn the other way.
Flip it.
I can't do nothing. It's in the hole here. There you go.
I'm sitting on top of the pillow block here.
Yeah, well, you can take it that way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, hold on. Give me a pry bar.
I don't know what you need.
Just a black handle one. Foot long or something.
I got one on here.
We'll pick up on that end of the.
Of course, look at my damn.
Oh. Sit down. Let me get. Not that it probably makes any difference, but.
Don't cost anything.
Okay, pick it up. Wiggle. Okay. You wiggle it some more? Okay, we're in. We're in.
Well, snug up the strap.
Hold on.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh, I lost the pin. It slid out. Shit.
Sorry, you should put the little thing on it first, huh?
Uh-huh. Put a big pry bar. Wiggle, wiggle it.
More?
Yep. More. Oh. One more. Okay. Okay, we're there.
Okay, come up. Oh, the thing maybe. Three-quarter?
Yeah.
Impact or just ratchet?
Impact.
Okay.
There.
So my memory card filled up on me, but we did get it rolled back together. We got the lower pin and then all the bushings, and we got the drawbar in it as well. Drawbar goes, you can see it down there below. There's a uniball in that. We replaced that as well, and it's got a new pin in the lower one. And then here's the upper arm in. You saw us heave that in, light. And it's got a new pin and a new uniball in it. And then you saw us put the rear pin in, so the pivot part of it is done. Now we have to, there's little uniballs here, like, this is, right here, this is the one that, these are the ones that go on the end of the steering rams. And yeah, here, and that's the pin. So you replace both the pin and the bushing for the end of the steering rams. We have a whole new set. We bought all these components from Big Tractor Power over in Rolog, Minnesota. They're really good to deal with. Really excellent company. They deal in the Steigers and then the 9000 series international Steigers. I'm not sure if they go any newer than that. They may have some parts for newer tractors than the 9000 series Steigers from International, but Case International, but I'm not sure. Anyway, we've got all our parts for this pivot rebuild from them. And then on this tractor, when we first got it, we got brake components from them too. So they have a lot of stuff for the axles, and they also have stuff for the transmission. So if you happen to have like a 9000 series Case IH Steiger or older, they have tons of driveline components, and they're really great people to work with.